YouTubers, what's going on? This is JT. Welcome to I Need My Garage Time. Tuning in with y'all tonight with a unboxing video on my next kit. Now, I think I've already showed this kit at some point because it's open. So, well, look, check this out though. Got a package in today from Revell. It's the decals for the Mustang. So I got an extra set of decals. Then I had to get another kit. Alright, so I think I've already showed this kit though, but it's gonna be my next build. I like test fitting, so all I'm gonna do to this is just test fit. That's all. But let's run through this kit right quick. Oh yeah, and I had to stop on the 51, on the 31, the 1950 3100 pickup. I had to stop on it because it's finished. All the parts are painted, but I lost the wheel. Yeah, I lost the wheel, and I turned my garage upside down this weekend, looking for it yesterday to be exact, and I couldn't find it. One little wheel, I don't know where it is. I searched for it. I don't know what happened to it. I hate that. It seems like you drop one piece and it's gone forever. So yeah, I can't begin to tell y'all how many times I done lost a part, and that's what that. Now I seen the two people do a video saying something about, what do you do when you get in a funk. When you just want to leave it, when you just want to, I guess, give up on it, or quit or whatever. But man, whenever that happened to me, and it do that to me when I'm almost done with these kits and I lose a part or something mess up, I just be like, the hell with it. I don't even want to deal with it no more. But what I do is I package everything up, set everything to the side, organize everything back in order. I clean up real good in my area, and I leave it alone. And when I'm ready for it, I go back to it. So the truck, I have to get another kit just for that tire. So when I do get that kit and I build that kit again, I want to put custom wheels on it anyway. So I don't need the factory wheel. So it's all good. And I saw Amazon had it for like $20. So I don't think Hobby Lobby have it, but it is what it is. So let's turn to this, and this kit is the only kit that I got. Man, let me show y'all my trash can right. Well, I ain't gonna be able to do it. I'll post a picture of it. But I got a bucket from Home Depot as my trash can, and it's got a Texas flag on it. And this is my first kit without the white styrene. So this is blue styrene. So, but let me do this. I'm all out of order tonight. Okay, so this is 66 Nova Pro Street. I see a lot of y'all with it. It has an end stand to come with it. I don't know if you can build this car stock or not. Maybe you can. I don't know. It doesn't say it on the box. By AMT, 1/25 scale. Features tub chassis, wide slicks, high rise intake manifold, displayable engine block, engine stand. Yeah, so I don't know if you can do it, but I've been wanting to build a street car, so it's all good. Anyway, here we go. 1966 Chevy Nova. And it has the subframe, I guess, if you will. There's the tubs for the racing slicks. And we have nothing underneath it. No gas tank, no nothing. So, since it's a street car, the gas tank might be supposed to sit inside the trunk. But you have the racing fuel, or this might be the gas tank. Let's dig back into it. Let's see. You got the, what is this? Why it look like that? Like something happened right there, huh? Anyway, it's got a badge molded into it. $327, they say, the badge. And it says Super Sport right here. $327. Door handles, lock cylinders, all that is molded in. Let's see. Need to turn that down. I don't want to get copyrighted. All right, here go these slicks. Racist slicks. Is it cracked? Look like something happened right there. Man, I've been having a hard time with this camera focusing. I guess it's time for me a new phone. Man, they make these phones to where they only last so long because this phone be getting hot now. Be getting real hot and then it shuts down. And when you first buy these smartphones, they $1,200. That's the fronts. Yeah, these phones be about $1,200. I know when I first got this one, I got a Galaxy Note Ultra 20, the last Note that they made. They have a newer one with the stylus pen, but when I first got this phone was about $1,200. And now I be getting hot and all the other stuff. So, all right, we got windows, windshield, rear windows. We got, all right, look. So this is the first. We have the side. We have the door windows and the quarter windows. And the quarter windows for the front is attached to the windshield. So that's cool. We got the headlights here. That'll be my first kit putting together where we have windows for the doors. Can't be mad at that, huh? We got a chrome tree. Let's see what's in the chrome tree. Chrome tree. Hey, y'all got some nice builds too. I've whenever I don't be recording or whenever I'm flipping through my phone, I be on YouTube a lot looking at everybody's videos, everybody's builds they have, and I'm getting me some ideas together now for some shop cards. Gotta have me a set of shop cards. Alright, so we have the front grille, rear bumper. We have, what does that say? I know that says Chevy. Anyway, it says Chevy something. It has a something else here. I can't make out what it is, but let's see. Okay. So I'm guessing this may be for the back as well. And these are tail lights. I believe this is your exhaust. Let me see. I I know nothing about street cars, y'all. So no, that look like a molding for the bottom, chrome molding. These may be the what could that be? Oh, so I guess all this is the chrome molding for the bottom. These two are for the back. These two are for the side. Let's see. We have intake here, valve covers, some more engine parts here, and we have the custom wheels. They nice. What else we have here? On this, oh man, look, we got wheelie bars right here. These are wheelie bars. Let's see. These look like the headlight housings here. Y'all, I got this held up trying to see what's all on here. You know, I don't believe taking up a lot of you guys' time, but here's the chrome tree. I try to keep my videos at a minimum because I know at some point people really don't like to look at long videos, so I try to keep them short, especially when it's unboxing. But here's another wheel. So yeah, like I say, I'm getting ready to test fit this, and test fitting is one of my favorite parts. Putting everything together before it's actually painting and stuff like that, I like doing that. All right, so we have that engine here, engine and trans. Let's see what size this engine is. If it's going to say it on here, it may be the. It don't say it in the box. I'll go into it might say it in the instruction. Anyway, here's the engine and transmission. Here are the cylinder heads. Here's your oil pan, your fan. Here is your timing cover, timing chain cover, belt and pulley assembly. We have two 4-barrel carbs right here. This is your hood scoop, your wheel pins, shocks, your rear suspension, your rear end with the bell housing. It's got a short rear end to it. There's your headers and some shocks. There's a hood, and it looks like it can be cut out from the way it looks. Yeah, so we'll have a cutout right here if you want to do it like that. We got hood hinges. So I'm guessing this part here, this block, it doesn't have no cylinders or anything in it, but I'm guessing that's for the engine stand. And here's a set of heads right here. Look like with the look like it have lifters on it. And this part here is part of the engine hoist. We got some engine parts here. We have a battery. We got a few engine parts here. Radiator support, firewall. I don't know what this is. We look at it. Can't really make out what this is, but It'll be all right. I'll figure it out when I start putting it together. Seats, front seats, back seats, door panel, simple racing door panels. There's your fan support. What do we have here? What is this? Front suspension, A-frames. Yeah. And here's the floors. Simple, because it's a racing. Whenever you've been in a drag car, any kind of race car, you want to make it light as possible. You don't want all the extra stuff on it, so I guess that's why they don't have a lot of extra stuff. Got some metal wheel pins. Let's look at the instructions right quick. Oh, we got a decal sheet. I got plans for this car. This car, I'm gonna tell y'all, this car will be 2 different colors. I'm gonna tell you like that. Come on, man. Y'all let me know if it's unnecessary to show y'all the instructions, but I like to make that a part of my video. If it's unnecessary, y'all comment and let me know, and I'll stop showing y'all the instructions. If it was me viewing the unboxing video, I would like to see the instructions. Interior. These are windows. Yeah, so those are chrome pieces that goes right here and in the back. And this long piece here, yep, goes across here. This car will be clean. I'm gonna make sure that there's an engine stand. Alright, y'all, so that's it for the unboxing. I'm going to try to put a little bit of it together. Let's look at the decal sheet right quick. I mean, I'm 18 minutes. Man, I wasn't planning on for this video being that long. Okay, well, you got simple decals, and I won't be using it. Illinois. Again, I'm going to say this again. I have a bunch of Illinois plates, Michigan plates, and I'm not going to use them. So, y'all let me know if y'all need them. I'll cut them out, loaf them up, send them to you. Alright, y'all, so thank y'all for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers and current subscribers. Thank y'all for all the comments and likes and all that good stuff. And I'm about to end this video. I'll post a picture of the part I put together tonight. I'm not going to do much. I'm just going to test fit a few things, and that's going to be it. Okay? So, all right. Thank y'all for watching. That's it, and that's all. Y'all, I'm gone.